Are you building projects with Flutter in Android Studio? Then I have the following 10 shortcuts that you need to know to accelerate your development and be even faster. If you stay till the end of the video, there is also one bonus tip that you can use if you don't remember any of these tips.
This is Pooja, everyone.
Android Studio has this cool feature of light templates where you just write the trigger words and it will write the entire block of code for you. For example, don't waste your time writing the entire stateful widget by yourself. Save some time by just typing STF. Same goes for stateless widgets, type STL for that. For inherited widgets, type init for that. For stateful widgets with animation control, you want to type stanum for that. There are some of the default ones that comes with the Flutter plugin, but you can always create your own live template, just like I created one for print statement. If you realize you need to convert your stateless widget into a stateful one, do not waste your time in converting it manually. Just press Option plus Return in Mac and Alt plus Enter in Windows. Easy. Are you also annoyed when you have to wrap a widget with a new parent widget and you struggle to find that one silly close bracket? Just don't do it manually. The combination that you learned in the previous point is actually a magic wand that you can use in a lot of places. Use this magic wand on a widget and you can easily wrap your widgets with center, container, size box, and padding. If you want to wrap your widget with something that's not available here, hit the wrap with widget and name your widget here and voila. Are you also painfully removing your widgets like this? Use the same magic wand to remove your desired widget. But also, of course, if you realize this block of widget or these blocks of widgets needs to be part of a column or a row, just press the magic wand and wrap them with column or row. Bonus tip, if you want a stack and as you see there is no stack option available, what I usually do is wrap the widget with column or row and change the name to stack. If you're in a pair code review session and this happens.
Hey, could you go to line number 784? I think you missed something there.
Sure. Here, I got it.
Just don't be that guy. Press these commands from Mac and Windows to go directly to a particular line. If you're liking the tips till now, can you please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you. Have a variable that you need to copy that has a very long value. Just keep your cursor wherever in the entire line and do your usual copy paste command and done. The entire line is copied for you. In fact, if you want to duplicate this entire line and just paste it right in the next line, then just do Command D in Mac and Control D in Windows to duplicate the line right below it. If you want to delete the entire line, again, without having to select the entire line, just press Command plus Delete in Mac or Control plus Delete in Windows and delete the entire line forever. I mean, not forever, you can undo. Talking about selection pain points, do you select your widgets like this? If it's a long nested widget, good luck finding that closing bracket. Just press these commands from Mac and Windows and select the entire block at once. The more you tap on it, the more parental block it selects. That was so easy. Do you want to just check the widget properties and not go into the documentation file? Just press these commands from Mac and Windows and check the properties in line. You might already know this, but if you like formatting your code, just remember the shortcut Option Command L for Mac and Control Alt L for Windows to format your code. If you like formatting things, you hate dead imports too. Just press Control Option O for Mac and Control Alt O for Windows to delete all your dead imports. When you work on Flutter, you definitely work on a lot of widgets and definitely there is a lot of class parameters, and so you create a constructor for each of your widget class. You probably create your constructors manually like this, but know that you could do these commands in Mac and Windows and create a constructor or a named constructor easily. It always creates a constructor with positional parameter, but you can select the list of parameters and do these commands in Mac and Windows to surround the list with curly braces. This also applies when you've created a method with positional parameters and now you decided to turn some of them into named parameters. Time for the bonus tip. If you're someone who cannot remember shit and will forget all of this by the end of the video, just remember to tap Shift twice and ask what you need. Now what would you do with all this extra time you just got?